Welcome back, guys, with another YouTube video. Seeing if we're catching anything. We're down here at Lock 11. My sister's being stupid. That's my sister. Here with my
Kim, shut the fuck up.
mom's boyfriend. My mommy's boyfriend.
Who actually watches your videos?
A lot of people.
Yeah. On my old YouTube video, I had like thousands of views online on this edit I did.
Playing Roblox.
No, I don't play Roblox. I do edits.
Okay, we're gonna sit here, wait, see if I get something. I'll come back to you guys if I do. I think we got a bite.
Yeah, a little tackle box, remember?
Oh,
Why are you sniffing at it? It's bad.
Because I can
no, we don't.
He's off.
Well, stand up when?
Just a waiting game. Oh, whoa.
You think this one was more bad?
No.
The one that only has a headband?
You want to put a heavier hook on it?
Yeah, nothing so far. I'll be back.
Is it gonna work?
Yeah.
Welcome back, guys, with another YouTube video again. So we were fishing, right? Okay. I used Ariana's pole because Ariana's pole is way better than mine. It's not way better. She gets more bites, okay, right? I got a bite on her pole.
I wanna go.
I got a good bite.
Yeah.
And stop kicking the fish. And there's a fish.
Okay.
And we ended up getting this fish. We were here at Lock 11. Yeah, take that, Matthew. We're going to go home, make a catch and cook. And yeah, I'll post this when I get home. Then we'll get the catch and cook. It's a decent size. I'm not really sure what species.
What species? It's a fish species.
It's a bass.
So it's a largemouth, or is it just a bass in general?
It's a smallmouth bass.
Let me
Smallmouth?
kick it one more time.
That's a nice one right there.
I'll get that.
Do not kick it!
Come on, just one more time. I'm in Crocs.
Bro, that was wet!
Stop kicking the fish.
Aww.
She's over here kicking it. Very nice fish here.
Okay, come on.
You kicked it back to life!
I did.
Yeah, it's moving.
It's just suffocating.
Oh, okay. Suffocate, buddy! Okay, well, see you back at the house, and yeah. Okay, guys, we're back at my house. I just finished filleting the fish. I dumped the guts in the garbage can. Now we're gonna cook it. So, show you guys me cooking it. And yeah, not really sure what kind it is. I think it's a perch or smallmouth, but we're gonna figure that out. Okay, so I'll be back. I'll get all the stuff set up. Okay, set the camera up. I gotta get this pan started. Get it heated up. Then we're going to dump the fish in. Put a little bit of butter in it. I need to close the butter dish. Put a little seasoning, salt, pepper, stuff like that on it. Just go basic here. Season your fish really well here. You always want to season your fish. Good. The skin side down first. Just gonna go in with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. This stuff already wet, so a little bit of salt on this side. Smell. Just get that other one right in there. Make sure you guys can see that. How do you know when this is done?
You just have to figure it out.
Just try piece?
I guess. When it doesn't look raw anymore.
Yeah, that's done. I'll meet you guys in my room for the test taste and ASMR.